huge box of Happy Go Luckys from Hallmark. They mailed it to us for free. And wait a minute. Ah, you were hiding behind our little food stand. Oh my goodness. Wait, let's pull this up. We're going to need this because the Happy Go Luckys are adorable. Actually, wait, let's open it up. Ta-da! Okay, so here's our wish list. But look, there's animals, but also birthday cake. There's food items like Kevin the Bacon. Oh, Kevin Bacon. Awesome. Sunny, the sunny side up, and then Flapjacky for pancakes. So we have a lot of food that we're going to put in here. You want to just open them? Okay, let's open. I kind of want to open the Cars one. I love Disney Cars. Oh, those are so cute. Oh my gosh, look how adorable. So we got these little tiny, oh yeah, Finn. This is CC and then Ocho. Oh, for 8. Ocho Cinco. There we go. Wait, let's open them up. Oh, these are cute. Okay, let's take them out.
Yeah.
Oh, those are little.
They were gonna be big.
Yeah, they're little, tiny little ones. Okay, let's open them up.
So
and these are all at Hallmark.
Oh
wait, hey look. Oh, this is perfect for the cars. Look, all the construction stuff. Let's see, Dozer, Orange Ruffle, and then Buster. That's cool. Oh, are you putting them all in there? That's cute. And then here we go. Beep, beep. That's adorable.
I know where to put this guy.
Okay.
Right here.
Oh, there we go. I want some food ones. Maybe the pink one would be food? Should we see? I hope so. Oh wait, oh it's animals! Oh, this is a cat's meow! Oh, this is cute. So it comes with a mouse, a cat, and then some yarn. That's adorable. Like, meow, 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 meow. Oh yeah, you want to play with it? Oh yeah. Okay, so we can have, oh wait, we need the yarn. Wait, look. It's like, meow, meow, meow.
The mouse can hide in here.
Oh yeah, the mouse likes garbage. And the kitty can play right here. That's cute. That's really cute. Okay.
I'm gonna open this one.
Okay, let's see. I want to open this one. And oh yes, we got some food! Yay! Oh my gosh, look how cute! So we have the kiwi. Splits the banana and shortcake. Oh, we got animals in mine. Oh, look, the elephant. A lion is a zebra. Oh my goodness! Yay! Okay, hey, so we can serve up. Should we make a smoothie or something with these? Wait, let me go back in here. Okay. Okay. So like, here I'll wash it. And I'll mix it all together. Okay. Here, Ava, eat up. Here's your smoothie. That's good. I love the kiwi. That's cute. Aw, the lion's asleep. How about the zebra? Dude, the zebras and lions get along. I don't think so.
Hey, can this go in the mouse area?
Yeah, it can go in the house.
Because I'm your friend. Elephants love it too. Please.
That's so cute.
Can all the animals go in here?
Yeah, all the animals can go in there.
Yeah, that's their home.
Here we go. Yay!
They're going there.
Wait, everybody?
Yeah. Wait, but these can't.
Yeah, the food, we'll keep the food out.
Yeah, let's keep the food out.
Okay, here's a dozer.
Yep, they're all gonna go in my home.
Okay, let's see what else we have. This is cool. It's like, oh my gosh.
I was gonna do that one.
I'm gonna do the blue stripe. Oh, more fish! Oh, this is cute. A beach ball, Cinco, starfish, and then Abby. Oh my gosh, you got like a cute little Easter one. Oh, springtime, like a flower. A little bunny hip hop, and then a twerp for the cute little chick. Oh, the beach ball I love. That's cute. These are super cute. And the flower actually would be like really good display right here. Aw, look at our bunny. It's like hip hop, hip hop.
Wait,
little chick. Those are cute. They're tiny.
Open this one.
Okay. Oh, that's a gold one. No way, dinosaurs! Look how cute these are! Oh my gosh, Shelly. That's adorable. Attaching of an egg tray and then big blue. That's adorable. That's so cute.
Hey, look what I got!
Wait, is it food? Oh, puppies! Puppy loves! Oh my goodness, baby Adam's going to love this because he loves puppies. Oh, look at the little dog bone.
Puppy.
Let's see. Oh, look at that. It's like. Oh, that's so cute.
We should keep this one out all day.
Oh, it's a little baby.
Let's get that one out.
Oh yeah. Oh, fire hydrant. Uh-oh. He's like, I'm gonna go party here. Oh, that's cute. Oh yeah, we have the blue animals together. That's adorable. Okay.
Open this one. There's so many.
Oh, hey, a sports one. Oh, this is cool. This is really cool. Just for kicks. So a squirt bottle or a water bottle, a little soccer ball, and a cone. Hey, we should keep this in the package for Alex. Oh, wait. Oh, it's like a Princess and the Frog. Yeah, fairy tale. So a little frog princess. And then a star and a crown. That's adorable. Okay, wait. Let's keep on opening them, and then we'll open the boxes.
Oh, yeah.
And let's see everybody.
I'm so excited.
I'm so excited, too. Oh, hey, this is like a cool little learning one. Oh, space. Spaces. That's cool. Earth, moon, and a rocket ship.
Hey!
That's cute.
Hey!
No way! Baseball! This is for you!
Yep, I go to baseball
Yeah,
every
she
day.
plays baseball on Saturdays. That's so cute. Aw, I love that. That's really cute. That's really cute. Okay. Oh, here. Do you want to open the pink one?
Yep.
I'll open this white one. Oh, no way! It's a birthday!
Hey, it's a birthday cake.
Oh, yeah, your birthday's on Friday. Oh my gosh, look, Junior the cake, Topper the little hat, and then Bowie for your birthday present. Okay, that is too cute. These are so cute. Oh, look, I got a farm one. Oh, no, wait. Oh, wait, got Bacon. This is the one I want, Kevin Bacon. The Sunny and Sprinkles, and then Piggy Sue, Axel, and Wooly Bully.
I opened this for you.
That is so cool. Oh, a fire one? Oh, no way, that's cool. Look, flames? Look at that. That's cute. Little flames, big red,
Hey,
and then
what's
a
this,
cap.
that
That's
one?
cute. Oh, that's really cute.
One open is.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we have a lot. Holy cow.
Yeah, why did they give us?
They gave us, like, I think the entire collection.
Yeah.
Oh, no way, food. Look. Here's the candy with an eye. The lollipop and cocoa chocolate cupcake. Ooh, those are cute. Those are so cute.
What I got?
Oh, you got all the insects. Bug buddies. That's cute. So do you know all the bugs? What's that? Do you know?
Ladybug.
Ladybug, caterpillar, and what's this?
I don't know.
A little bee. Oh yeah, you got stung by a bee, didn't you?
Yeah. In the pool.
In the pool. Oh, more food. Oh my gosh, ice cream. Melton the popsicle. Ice cream. Oh wait. Oh, Sammy the ice cream sandwich. Okay. Oh wait, there's a note. Let's see what it says. It says, lucky you have all the rare characters in the palm of your hand. Happy go lucky day. Oh, what's this? So this might be all the rare ones?
Hey!
Oh wait, and this one too. Let's see, and this one says, happy go lucky day. I am a rare find. Today is your lucky day. Oh my goodness. This is cool. So there's some rare ones. I wonder who the rare ones are.
Don't
So
cut your
excited.
finger.
I know, I don't want to cut my fingers. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, hold on. What is this? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, so there's some really special ones. Okay, so this one, it comes bacon. Oh, here's a rare. So Flapjack is a rare one. That's cool. So normally you might get it with like just the sprinkles donut, but the Flapjack, that's actually really cool. Okay, so there's your rare one there. Oh, and then Spot. Oh, look how cute. So here's your rare one. It's a little puppy. Here we go. Oh, so it's a different bunny. Okay, so here's our bunny here. And then this cotton ball is another rare bunny. So white bunny is rare. That's cute. What? Hop, sister. There we go. And then this one. Oh, Dottie is rare. That's really cute. From our little safari squad. We don't. That's so cute because we have the lion instead.
Are these so cool?
Yeah, they're all so cool. I can't believe them all. They're all so adorable. Which ones? You know, honestly. Oh yeah, you want to open the baseball one for you? I love the bacon. That one's like probably my favorite one.
What's this?
Let's see. Oh yeah, see that's your baseball plate, like first base, and second base, and home plate. And there's your glove, and there's your little baseball. This is cute. You can bring this to your baseball game. Wouldn't that be adorable? And these are cute. Actually, hey, wait. Let me throw you up some eggs back here. Oh, and some bacon. There we go. That's cool. Here, Ava. You want some eggs and bacon to eat?
Ooh.
Mmm, yummy,
so
yummy,
good.
yummy. And oh wait, you opened up your birthday. Happy birthday, Ava. Wait.
And space.
Oh, and space. That's so cute.
But
Wait,
cake.
hey, wait. Can we put your hat on?
Yeah.
Aw, so adorable.
Happy birthday to Ava. Happy birthday to Ava. Happy birthday
To Ava. Wait, eat your birthday cake. Oh wait, there's a hair on it. There we go. Now you can eat it. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And it's so fun to play with. Look at all them. Here, I should just get like a big pile. It's like, Happy Go Luckys, happy! Please give us a like, subscribe, and in the comments let us know who your favorite Happy Go Lucky is. And thank you so much, Hallmark, for sending these to us.